The Asian session is unfolding calmly ahead of the release of the US non-farm payrolls report. The greenback is still trading in the red zone, as investors are still trying to offset losses after the Fed's key rate decision. Even an increase in US Treasuries yields did not help the US dollar to recover. The antipodean currency are growing after the release of strong data on China's manufacturing PMI for October. Nevertheless, their growth was limited by the resumption of the trade conflict between Beijing and Washington. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback's strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, fell by 0.13% up to its two-week low at 97.20, where its support level was located. It may break below this level and drop to the July value if US jobs data is weak. The greenback gave in to the Japanese yen as well. The dollar-yen pair is consolidating near 108.00, which is its three-week low amid the growth of the US stock indexes and US government bond yields. The yen gained momentum against the background of uncertainty over the trade agreement between the United States and China. Reportedly, Chinese officials do not agree with the United States upon some key issue. At the same time, Donald Trump promised to find another place for a meeting with Xi Jinping. What's more, investors still stay away from risky assets, especially after the news that unidentified projectiles from North Korea flew in the direction of Japan. Meanwhile, market sentiment was boosted by upbeat China's macroeconomic statistics. In contrast to the official data, the Taishin PMI, which focused on smaller and medium-sized companies, showed an increase. The PMI rose to 51.7 points. It was the highest level since February 2017. The Australian dollar inched up amid such news. The AUD-USD pair regained its ground, trying to grow above the level of 4.6900. Today, investors are poised for a flow of economic reports. They continue to follow the news on the US-China trade talks. On Friday, top trade negotiators from China and the United States will hold a phone conversation. Brexit is also in the limelight. During the European session, Switzerland will release data on retail sales, while the UK will unveil its manufacturing PMI. In the New York session, US non-farm payrolls report is due. Later, the PMI and ISM indexes for the United States manufacturing sector will be published. Some Fed's officials are scheduled to give a speech today. We keep close tabs on market developments. Stay tuned with us.